Hello, welcome back to my channel and welcome to my best of 2025 series. In this video I will be doing complexion, so that'll be primers, glowy, what I consider glowy bases or serums, foundations, and concealers. So let's just get right into it. So I just want to briefly mention that these are items that I've either used a lot of in 2025 or items that I picked up in 2025 that really just stood out to me. Not necessarily my all-time favorite products in my collection, but just some really good standouts for me or purchases for this year. So I've got one eyeshadow primer that really stood out to me this year. Now, I don't remember if I got this in 2025 or if I just used it a lot, but it is the Appeal Hydrating Eyeshadow Primer. I love the applicator. I love the cooling effect it has on the skin. I love what it does for the under eyes. I did get this in an Ipsy Extra, and I might consider repurchasing it when I am all out. I have pretty much used this up this year. It's not going to last long in 2026 at all. So this might be on my repurchases list, which is rare. I do have 3 face primers that stood out to me. The Dr. Brandt Luminizer Primer, another Ipsy Extra find. This is just gorgeous. It's skin caring, it's illuminating, it looks hydrating on the skin. Definitely a favorite of mine. And then the What's Up Beauty Lightweight Hydrating Face Primer. Again, another, it feels like skincare type of a primer. Hydrating, feels good on the skin. Really nice, and I love the packaging too. Another Ipsy Extra find. And the last face primer, I believe I picked it up in January of 2025. But the Natasha Denona High Gen Primer. The Energizing and Hydrating Primer Serum. I feel like this primer is one of those that is a combination of illuminating and gripping at the same time. I've used it whenever I wanted a gripping primer, plus it just gives a natural luminosity to the skin. I love it. I know they have the bronzing drops in this formula, and I really do want to pick those up, so I'm hoping to do that here soon. But again, just another gorgeous formula, and it's Natasha Denona, so you know I'm going to love it. I do have 3 what I would consider glowy bases. They're basically just hue drops, but the first one is by Saie. It's their Starglow formula, the Glowy Supergel. I got this in January of this year, and again, just a beautiful one. I've heard about the hype around it. I picked it up and I fell in love with it, and I've been using it non-stop. And then the last 2 are from Glow Recipe. Now this one I'm putting in here because it is a most used of mine. I got this, I think, I got this probably about 2 years ago at this point, but it's the Watermelon Glow Dew Drops. And again, just something I use constantly. I love it. It's beautiful. I think I got it in an Ipsy Extra, which at that point was still BoxyCharm. But then its sister is the Watermelon Glow Sun Glow. It's like their Bronzy Drops formula. I got this, and again, just gorgeous. I love it. It's skin caring. It's hydrating. I love wearing it underneath makeup. It is just that beautiful. For foundations, this first one is one I just picked up. It's the Natasha Denona High Gen Foundation. Again, gorgeous, beautiful, looks hydrating on the skin, looks glowy without being glowy, looks dewy without being like super glowy on the skin. Like, it doesn't look like a glowy foundation, but it looks like a foundation with hydrating properties. Just another wonderful favorite of mine. This one I picked up, I think, in November. It is the Chanel Les Beiges Water Fresh Tint. Again, another beautiful skin tint. Great for everyday wear. It's fun to blend out on the skin. I love how you put it on the skin, it looks like water, and then you blend it out, and it's got the skin tint foundation look to it. It's just so much fun to play with and wear, and just fun to blend out. I enjoy playing with it. This one from Morphe, I was not expecting to like this one. I haven't been a big fan of Morphe foundations in the past. I got this in an Ipsy Extra this year. It is the Lightform foundation, a wonderful drugstore to me. Gorgeous on the skin. Love it for medium coverage. Looks like skin. If you are looking for something affordable, this is where to go. Polite Society More Than a Pretty Face Skin Caring Foundation. Great for full coverage days. Great for when I'm wanting to go all out. Still looks like skin. I got this in the most recent Ulta 21 Days of Beauty sale. I love it. It's great. It's just one of those that I did not expect this to stand out the way it did to me this year, and it has. And then the Fenty Beauty Soft Lit Foundation. I believe I got this at the end of 2024, but I used it a lot throughout 2025. Another more full coverage foundation that looks like skin, is great. Is nice for when I'm wanting to go a little bit more all out, but still want to look fresh and skin-like, and just a great one. I know that this is definitely a fan favorite. So just that beautiful. And lastly, we have concealers. The first one I have is from Toyco. This is an Ipsy Extra find. This is, I feel like, light to medium buildable coverage. It's super beautiful. I hear a lot of people talking about the Tower 28 concealer, and when I hear it described, I feel like this one, like, I just think of this one when I hear the Tower 28 concealer described. I do want to pick up that one, but this is just so beautiful, so wonderful. Definitely more light to medium coverage, but just great in general. And then the Yenza one I also got in an Ipsy Extra. It's the Super Serum Silk Concealer. That's a tongue twister. Definitely one for lightweight, light coverage. You're not going to get a lot of coverage out of it, but for those days where you just don't want to put in the effort for makeup, this is perfect. I love it. It is beautiful. I've been liking the items I've been getting from Yenza in my Ipsy Extra boxes. And they are just so beautiful, and this is definitely one of my standouts for the year. Another Ipsy Extra one, it's the Yummy Skin Lift and Flex Concealer. One that when I first got didn't really stand out to me too much, but as I wore it more and more, it became something that I really do love. Danessa Myricks is one of those brands where in my mind it doesn't stand out, but I hear a lot of good things about it constantly, and then when I wear their items that I do own, they really are good, and I would describe it as not something that would be necessarily a favorite brand of mine, but one of those more like reliable type brands. Like I would put this in kind of like the high-end category, but I would put e.l.f. in one of those brands that I know if I'm in a pinch, I can find something from them and it will work. So just very reliable. And then the last one is the Dior Forever Backstage Concealer. Again, another beautiful one. This one I got a few months back. It's Dior, it's the Backstage line. It's great. I love it. And I'm just excited to just continue to wear it throughout 2026. And definitely one that is more reliable as well. And that is everything for Complexion Favorites of 2025. Stay tuned because the next video is going to be cheek products. And then I'm hoping to get to eyes and lips, not including eyeshadow palettes. If you are wanting to see the videos I have done already in this, I've done eyeshadow palettes as well as skincare favorites for 2025. But that is everything for my complexion. And if you are new here, welcome to my channel. I do videos focusing on beauty and lifestyle. And my goal on this platform is to share my love for beauty as well as my love for Jesus Christ as my Lord and Savior. If that's what you're into, hit that subscribe button. And if not, but you still want to stick around, hit that subscribe button. I will see you in the next one. Bye, guys.